Hello everyone, this is our project Rubik's Cube Solver. The aim of the project is to scan all the faces of unsolved cube and provide a sequence of moves to solve or make a special pattern in a Rubik's Cube. So here we go. So let's first scan all the faces of cube. To scan front face, press F. To scan right face, press R. To scan back face, press B. To scan left face, press L. To scan up face, press U. And to press down face, press D. After scanning all the faces of cube correctly, now here we are provided with many solving options. To simply solve the cube, press enter. And if you want to go for some specific pattern, here are some options. So let's suppose I choose checker 1 as my pattern. So I will press 1. Now the solution window is open. Now you have to follow all the moves given on the screen. And to show the next move, press enter. Now, as you can see, at last you will get your Rubik's Cube solved to the desired state. So, this is all about my project. Thank you.